I did not plan this as a skin care जो मैं ऐसे bare face होके करूँगी, but मुझे लगता है it's important for you to know what I've been putting on my skin. क्यों? So that you don't repeat the mistakes. I am a consumerist to the max, which is not the nicest thing, and I think कहीं ना कहीं वो मेरी skin पे आ जाता है. Also, I think formerly known as only a body positive creator, I think the diversification that I had into skincare led me to a lot of homegrown brands. Now mind you, इतनी सारी longitudinal studies हुई नहीं है इस पे, तो बिल्कुल अपने मुंह पे थोपना and then telling you guys कि ये खरीदो was not a part of my scene, but kabhi kabhi it becomes very real jab the money is good. Today's haul is all about everything that you should and should not buy. These are my empties from the past 2 months, and like this is something that I would do with my own sister or my best friend ki bhai tu ye le, ye mat laga, this is what did not work for me. Let's get into it. I think I want to start with makeup. Mascara के department में मैं काफ़ी tight fish चल रही हूँ, so I want to start with the fails and the good. I think the Lash Paradise Voluminous, I got this from Spain. तो जब तक ये चला, which is only 3 months, it was great. The Indian version, I did not like it. Okay, so these are my top fails for mascaras. I thought the Bubble Colossal would be the real thing, but I think it only works on people who have really good curly lashes. Like I applied it on my partner and it looked beautiful. Even though I have lashes, it didn't do much for me and it's really hard to get out. Then I got the Urban Decay's Perversion, Volume, Waterproof and Length Mascara. The packaging is so sexy, so expensive. Such a dud. And then I was like कि चलो महंगे खरीद ही रही है, mid range भी ले लिया है, let's try a cheap one. Honestly, out of everything, I'm liking the Double Trouble better than these two. But ये जो झूठ बोला गया है ना कि it's 2-in-1 brushes, it's just one brush guys. यही ब्रश ऐसे है. आई थिंक इस चीज़ का खुलासा तो काफ़ी लोगों ने कर दिया, बट इतनी बेवकूफ़ शायद मैं ही हूँ. बट आई डोंट सी इट, इट्स वेरी क्लम्पी, इट गेट्स ऑल माई लैशेस क्लम्पी एंड दैट इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट आई लाइक. सो दीज वर माई डड्स विद मस्कारा. लेट मी शो यू अ विन. सो माई बिगेस्ट विन वॉज माई Fenty Pro Filter. आई एम द शेड 280. भाई मज़ा आ गया. Like I absolutely love it. Another one was 140p medium from K Beauty. I didn't reach out for it much. अगर मुझे लगाना होता तो I would put Fenty, but it is a good like not very drying wala foundation. A big win from homegrown brands is the Prosh Beauty's eyeliner. My god, the liner goes on so smoothly. Iska brush is so thin and I can really just get it right with one flick almost, so I really enjoy this. Another win is the Laneige Sleep Mask. I mean, I didn't think I would finish things, but I think ये मेरा second या third tub है that I've actually finished, so I'm feeling really good about it. Let's move to the face. So I signed up for a long-term collab with this brand called Pink Natural Upton, and somehow it says that it's soap-free, vegan-free, microplastic-free. I'm not like trying to defame it, but oh my god, पहला wash और उसके बाद से जो मेरी स्किन की ऐसी तैसी हुई है. I did it back in April and now it's September and I've still not recovered. And I've done multiple blood tests. I reached out to the brand again. They came back with ये तो कोई भी झूठी prescription लिखवा सकता है. I have personally, the brand's POC was like, I've been using this personally, मुझे तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा. हम सबकी skin type different है guys, and I'm not saying that you are wrong or right, but the way that you could have handled this is more mature. Yeah, this was a no-no. मतलब product अभी तक इतना सारा इसमें बाकी है. I don't think I'm going to be using it at all. उसके बाद प्रिस्क्रिप्शन चीज़ें आई, but the things that really helped me is this Physiogel Hypoallergic Calming Relief AI cream, and oh my god, like it's so nice and thick but not like overwhelming. Even Snail Mucin was a little too much for me, so I think this really helped. Okay, so दो चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा hype हो रखी थी. I love the Sunday SPF spray, so I tend to use that. Then I went for the Happiest Sunday Spirit Away, which is again, but I didn't like the smell. I didn't like how it kind of spritz in patches, तो मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था मुझे, and it just didn't feel like I would buy this again. The Dew, in my defense, बहुत लोगों ने बातें की है. इसको लगाते ही from the first pump it was burning. I am a big fan of the Dew OG serum that they have launched with their patches, all of that, but this somehow not for me, not a win for me. मैं अपनी skin type यहाँ mention कर दूँगी. I am 34 years of age. I live in Mumbai. And I have thyroid, PCOS, and I'm working out with a trainer, with a nutritionist, and I get my blood work every 4 months done. This is just for you to know how transparent it is, and if you can relate. क्योंकि thyroid की वजह से इतनी ज़्यादा मुझे dryness होती है, not just on my face but on my body, and I can see that being passed down from my mum, and it's just such a pain to deal with. So I had actually started a retinol called the Regen Night Repair Serum. and I had to stop it because it was extremely drying for my skin. So now I have a dermat who has just put me on 2 products. Maybe that is something that I will be documenting. Speaking of dry skin, is where all my calming oils, body oils, वो सारी चीज़ें, these are like my 7th और 8th bottle, तो आप समझ सकते हो कि मैं कितना यूज़ करती हूँ. I love their velvet spray in the Sharbat limited edition thing. It is godsend. I keep it 1 in my travel bag, 1 in my shower, and 1 literally in my desk trolley because it's that good. And then I go back in with a moisturizer, which is the Cetaphil Restoderm or the Bio Atoderm wala. I'm going to place a picture of it here. So that is just easier for you as a dry skin girly. इससे अगर आपका कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा, बिगड़ेगा नहीं. I can vouch for it. I know I'm not a dermat, but it's really godsend. It's really really nice. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर बार हर ब्रांड आपको वर्कआउट कर जाए. I tried their shower gel or the probiotics body wash. I think it is the scent. I don't like cardamom as a scent in my perfume, in my body shower gel oil, कुछ भी. I think this मतलब ख़त्म कर लिया मैंने, but it was a struggle. For my hands and feet, I use something called as the Aqua Urea 10. It is literally just urea and glycerine and lactic acid and propylene glycol. That's about it. यही चीज़ I smear on my hands and my feet because I have very aged hands and feet. And another win that I had was with Laneige Eye Sleeping Mask. I really liked कि इसका ये जो applicator है वो बहुत ही sexy लगा था मुझे. About how you know you can really go in and massage with it, gentle to touch. But will I be buying it again? Did I see like a change in the formula? पता नहीं वो क्या claim कर रहा था और क्या हुआ, क्योंकि मेरा इससे कुछ हुआ नहीं. So I would say not to buy genuinely. Another thing that I love RAS products, but I had this one from Pigmentation Color Correcting Serum. The first 1 month I felt like I saw a difference slightly. उसके बाद it just didn't do anything for me. I have wiped it clean. So yeah, that says a lot. Another thing that I was using was these Moisture Up cleansing pads. So I like them to use it after cleansing. अगर मैंने double cleansing कर लिया with oil and micellar भी कर लिया है, and I used the Clinique cleansing balm. अगर उसके बाद भी I feel like some sort of grease, then I would use this one. But I've been advised not to because it's extremely drying. So if you're a dry skin girly, avoid your toners and clean up pads maybe. Finally, मैंने 2 bottle of Fix Plus spray from MAC Prep and Prime खत्म कर दी है, which is a big win. And another thing जो लोग everybody raves about the Urban Decay setting spray. भाई ये bottle खत्म करने में मैंने 1.5 साल लगाए हैं. And it does nothing for me. So my this region is extremely sweaty, and that is the only reason that nothing on my face stays, and I absolutely hate it. Like I would recommend you to buy Ultra Sheer Body Mist Sunscreen. SPF 70 है. Any exposed part लगा लो आप. वो अभी भी बचा है. Yeah. It doesn't have that weird nozzle sort of a situation, and the glow is insane. It is amazing. Glow से ना मुझे मज़ा आ जाता है. तो मैं तो रात को भी अगर मुझे if I'm wearing something that I want to show off my legs in, I will pair it up with another repurchase, and you have to buy it if you can get your hands on. It's the glitter body oil. I love it. I love how this glazes your skin. अब हमारे पास बहुत और cheaper alternatives है, but अगर आप OG and if you just want to get that one luxe feel purchase 6 महीने में एक बार, maybe this is it. You should try it. काफ़ी sexy सा product है, but it does transfer. So be mindful. I lock it in with this, and then I also do a hairspray. I know on my body. full मरने वाले काम करती हूँ. मतलब मेरे पापा तो यही बोलते हैं. Now going in the hair department, touch wood. I feel like all my vitamins and everything. I have a lot of hair fall, but I also am seeing a hair growth, which I think हर कोई बात करता है. मुझे तो sponsor नहीं करा है Wishling ने, Wishcare ने, because I think ये मेरी 8th bottle है, and I think it's been working quite well. I've switched to another one. I'm also taking multivitamins under a dermat. तो मैं आपको ये दिखाना नहीं चाहूँगी या recommendation नहीं करना चाहूँगी, but they come in with a set of instructions and different tablets. So it is the L'Oreal Elvive New Glycolic Gloss, which is the 5-minute lamination rinse off. I did not get the Indian one. ये बाहर से लिया था, which is उनके formulations काफ़ी different है. Somehow India में substandard चीज़ें क्यों आती हैं, उसका reduce क्यों कर दिया जाता है, I don't know, but it is चुम्मेश्वरी. अगर आप if you can get your hands on this, please do. Big wins on the hair. Another heat protectant that I keep on going back to is the Osis Flatliner. This one is great, and अगर आपको लगता है ना कि ये कुछ नहीं करता, दोस्त ये करता है. We just don't know it in the longer run. As somebody who uses heat almost daily, even if I'm not shooting, if I'm going out and for my lectures, जब मैं सुबह ready होती हूँ, it's important. Some form of heat, this really helps. Another thing that really helped me and I really liked was the Biolage Smooth Matrix. Really nice product. Talking about hair volume, 2 things that I really enjoyed. This takes some amount of practice. तो कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप wow extra large bombshell volumizer ले रहे हो, I would say you need to be a little bit in the intermediate level because this can get really tough to work with. Yeah, like you can end up looking like a wet dog also. But a easy one that I really like is the volume spray by Wa. I don't know कैसे pronounce करते हैं. Takes a long time to finish it. Although it says 12 months में ये finish हो जाना चाहिए, नहीं होता है. जो विन मेरे लिए नहीं हुआ है वो है पूरा भरा हुआ Sebastian Texture Maker. It's only because I don't have the finesse or the technique that you need to use this for. It's for creating textures, and it says that it provides versatile and reworkable texture with matte finish and medium hold to create any textured look. So आपके beachy waves and everything can last with this. My holy grail, and कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है this works. Whatever people may say, the K18 Biomimetic Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. If you have thin hair, which can be weighed down by product, which is in serious damage mode, if you color your hair, just get it. Last, छोटा लगता है. You just need 1 coin-sized amount of it and work it in your hair. Put heat on, really works. I think इसलिए मेरे बाल बचे हुए हैं. Yes, they don't have great amount of volume, but I feel like I can style and lengthen them, and इतना frizz वगैरह नहीं मालूम पड़ता है, only because using the right product and taking care of it. I haven't been oiling my hair for the longest because I'm going through a series of serious dandruff issues, which also explains the things on my forehead. But yeah, this was a very transparent what's in my empties for the past 2 months. I hope to do this every month because I buy so that you don't have to. I'll see you soon. Bye.